Do I need a common law divorce if I'm common law married in Okmulgee County? In Oklahoma, there is really no such thing as a common law divorce. This is because if your relationship meets the legal requirements of a common law marriage, the state of Oklahoma views you as just as legally married as a couple that had a traditional church wedding and a marriage license. Because of this, the only way to legally dissolve the relationship and protect yourself is to file for a traditional divorce through the Okmulgee County District Court. Simply moving out, splitting up, or agreeing to go your separate ways is not enough and can cause major legal issues down the road. Why a formal divorce matters. If you walk away from a common law marriage without a common law divorce, or should I say a normal divorce, you face several major legal risks: property and debt division. Without a divorce filing, there is no official process to equitably divide marital property, like a house, vehicles, or retirement accounts, or marital debts. The threat of bigamy. If you enter into a new relationship and try to marry someone else in the future without legally ending your common law marriage first, your new marriage could be considered void, and you could technically be accused of bigamy. Estate and inheritance rights. If you split up informally and your ex-partner passes away, they could still legally inherit your property under Oklahoma estate laws because you are technically still their legal spouse. Spousal support. Just like a traditional marriage, a common law spouse may be entitled to request alimony or financial support upon separation, which must be handled through the court system. The catch: you have to prove the marriage existed first. When you file for divorce from a common law marriage, the court has to tackle a two-step process. Prove the marriage. First, you, or your attorney, must present clear and convincing evidence to the judge that a valid common law marriage actually existed. Grant the divorce. Once the judge confirms the marriage was real, they will proceed with the normal divorce process, dividing assets, settling custody if you have children, etc. Oklahoma courts don't just look at how long you lived together. Instead, they look for proof of a mutual agreement to be married and that you presented yourselves to the world as spouses. Common evidence used in Oklahoma courts. Filing joint state or federal tax returns. This is often the strongest evidence. Holding joint bank accounts, credit cards, or car loans. Signing a lease or mortgage together as a married couple. Listing each other as a spouse on health insurance or employment benefits. Consistently introducing each other to family, neighbors, and coworkers as my husband or my wife. If you are facing a separation and believe your relationship qualifies as a common law marriage, you don't need a common law divorce because they really don't exist. What you really need is a normal divorce. This is because a common law marriage is a valid marriage just like any other in Oklahoma. If you want a free consultation with a family law attorney, call the Kania Law Okmulgee lawyers at 918-621-8083.